Hello there, good afternoon. It's about 2:53 here on May 12th, Monday. Time for the Carolina Regional Weather Update. And right now, looking at the visible satellite imagery, we see some clouds forming over South Carolina and some puffy or white clouds forming over the mountains of western North Carolina here, particularly Asheville. And I think this is where most of the action is going to be this afternoon and this evening. With the some thunderstorms forming in the mountains here. The way the winds are blowing right now is kind of in the clockwise position, which means that we're under a big dome of high pressure right now. And that just means that the air is going to be sinking over top of us, so it's going to be hard to get a storm today. However, the way the winds are blowing in the mountains out here to the west of us will cause the winds to move up the mountains and make it easier for storms to form. So thinking that the storms are going to probably be more plentiful out there in the mountains. I can show you what I'm talking about right here. This is the Futurecast radar, the NAM model, and it limits all of the action here out to the western mountains, out in Asheville, maybe in that area out there. Taking it back and then moving it ahead again in time. 4 o'clock this afternoon, 5 o'clock this afternoon right there, all the cells look like they're limited to the mountains and out to our west, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty calm evening here in Charlotte. Taking a look at the current observations around the region, I'm going to zoom in here to where we are. We have 83 right now in Charlotte, 81 out there in Asheville, 84 in Greenville, 92 down here in Columbia. South Carolina has really been in the 90s more than we have the past few weeks or so. Not a big surprise since they are further south. However, they probably are under the area of the sinking air and the high pressure ridge that's over top of us more than we are, and it has been kind of compressing the air as it falls down through the atmosphere and warms up. 82 degrees, beautiful day here in Myrtle Beach, 85 in Wilmington, North Carolina, and nice days for the beach. 83 right here again in Charlotte. I'm getting ready to head to the pool here in a little bit. I have off today, and I work tomorrow and Wednesday as well. Let's take a look at the model forecast here and what can we expect over the next few days. Okay, so we're going to look at the 12-kilometer NAM model, which means the grid points are spaced apart every 12 kilometers. And it looks like this is going to be the mean sea level pressure and precipitation forecast. Looks like we stay dry through the rest of this evening, minus the mountains on Monday, and then Tuesday heading into the day. Looks like we're dry for the most part there on Tuesday. Not sure if this can resolve any random shower or storm. And then as we head overnight into Wednesday, looks like some storms here might form overnight into Wednesday morning, which is subtract 4 from the universal time right here, which is Greenwich Mean Time. 2 a.m. could see a little bit of activity, although this could just be some feedback that could be bogus because at night it should be more stable, and we're not looking at a whole big deal of precipitation here. The next shot of precipitation we're looking at here is Thursday afternoon as a cold front approaches from the west, a powerful one too, and I can draw you a picture. Right here is going to be the low, and here comes the cold front from our west, just like this right here, and it's going to be pushing eastward and bringing us some showers or storms. There's some pretty good rain out here to the mountain, heavier pocket of rain down there in South Carolina, and it looks like that could be headed our way, especially if it moves from southwest and northeast. So Thursday it looks like the next day for some solid rain and thunderstorms, and we should be okay until then. On the Charlotte 7-day forecast, I left in some showers and storms here for Wednesday. Looks like Thursday is the next best bet. Friday looks like it's a beautiful day, hardly reaching 80 degrees, might reach 80 degrees if we're lucky. Looks like a nice Saturday for once, and then another chance of showers or storms here on Sunday. Thanks a lot for watching the Carolina weather discussion, and check back for updates.